What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 GMC Acadia. Today we're going to check the cabin air filter. We're going to need to lower this glove box door. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper here on the side. We're just going to pull on it. Then we're going to push the glove box in to get it past the stoppers here. So you have one stopper here, then we're going to get it past the one right here. Okay. You might have to go back and forth to get it to come down. Alright, now once you get it to come down, you're gonna have to take out this Torx T20, okay? I'm just using a small flathead screwdriver. It'll work too. Okay, and once you get it out, all you gotta do is push this clip in and you can pull the door off. Alright, here's the cabin filter here. I'm gonna pull it out. We're gonna notate that it says airflow down. So when we get our new filter, we install it the correct way. If you need one, check the description box. I'm gonna have a part number and a link for a new one. Definitely need a new one for this car. We're gonna have to order it. And yeah, I don't have the new one right now, so I'm just gonna put this one back for now. Okay. I'm not putting the screw back in because we're going back in it later. All we have to do is close the glove box door and then hook the damper back up like that. And we're all done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate like, comment, subscribe.